Okay. What skill have you discovered about yourself as a kapuso? I'm an introvert, so yung mga ganun. It takes a lot of effort, pero kaya ko pala. Kailangan lang ng mga mental tricks to get you into the mood to entertain other people. But my passion for acting talaga is what, drives me in this industry. Who do you think is the kapuso celebrity who has the same personality as you? Oh God, parang feeling ko si Andrea. We have the same hunger when it comes to growing in our craft. And makasama ko siya sa BetSim, so we did a show together. And kita ko yun na game siya for anything, just to give a really good scene. So feeling ko yun, si Andrea Torres. I love you.
What is your favorite kapuso show? Siyempre, Black Rider. Abangan every day, Monday to Friday. After 24 oras, abangan si Teresa dun. Tapos next season, may bago akong show. Bago akong favorite show. Pero actually, if I were to answer that truthfully, I would say Encantadia, the remake, of course. Who is your first kapuso friend? I would have to say maybe Kylie Padilla or Ara San Agustin. Ara actually is a funny story because we both studied in La Salle. If I were to take this question seriously, it would be either Ruru Madrid or Solen Musa.
Ooh, first question. Where did you spend your first kapuso, first paycheck? Oh my gosh. Ang binili ko is diamond earrings and ring. And naalala ko that time, parang kino-question ako na, tama ba yung investment mo? Kasi usually, di ba, car, yung mga ganun bagay. Pero after ilang years, feel ko naman, tama siya. Ano sa tingin ninyo? Good ba? Nadugot ko na aking first paycheck. Diamonds are a girl's best friend. Name one iconic kapuso role you would love to take on. Parang ang sarap gumawa ng Encantadia or Mulawin.
Share your most embarrassing moment as a kapuso. Marami akong pagkakamali pag nag-all out Sunday. Diba? As a dancer, singer, hindi ko nakukuha agad-agad yung dapat gawin. So para sa akin nakakahiya yun. Share how you were discovered as a kapuso. Sumali po ako sa reality TV show, sa Starstruck. Ayan, season 7 po, ang aking batch. God willing, nakapasok po ako and here I am today.